Welcome all. The topic of our project is real-time river water quality monitoring and control system. The first step of our project is to create an IBM cloud account, then create a resource list Internet of Things and follow the further processes. We have to launch the Watson IoT platform which leads to the browsing device where the output of the stimulations is shown. The next step is to create a device name and the organization ID. Then create a dataset with coding by inserting the temperature, humidity and random number. The output of this coding is being shown in the display. It is also shown in the form of bar chart. For each and every stimulation, the chart is being changed by representing two lines. The upper line represents the temperature and the lower line represents the humidity. By giving each stimulations, the change of the bar chart is shown in the screen. The next step is to open the Node-RED and by debugging the Node-RED, we have these readings. Connect the corresponding paths in the Node-RED where the component consists of IBM IoT, temperature, humidity and moisture. The result of this flowchart is shown in the screen, which says the humid, moisture and temperature. This is the Python code where it is being used to publish the data in IBM Watson IoT platform. The code is running the temperature, turbidity and further more details. It also consists of dissolved oxygen and conductivity. The output of this program is shown in the screen. For each and every temperature, humidity and moisture, the conductivity and the dissolved oxygen is salinity and further details are shown. By using this Python code, we can form a login page. By logging into this, by using username and password, we have converted into a second module which consists of pH, water turbidity, moisture, nutrients, salinity and dissolved oxygen.